Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a quick video for all my fellow Ford owners on how to get Apple CarPlay on your 2016 Ford Mustang, Focus, Fiesta, Transit, etc. Now you do need to have Sync 3 installed, but unfortunately it's not that simple. Sync 3 is compatible with Apple CarPlay, but there are a couple things you need to do first. The first thing is you want to check that you have the latest software. So you want to go to Settings and About Sync and make sure you have version 3.0 or higher. If you do not have version 3.0, unfortunately there is no way to update it through the settings here. You do need to connect to a computer and put some files in a flash drive. If you're unsure how to do that, I have a video describing that in detail down in the description, so check that out. The second thing you need is this USB hub right here. You could pick some of these up on Amazon for $42. They have free one-day shipping, so I ordered this last night and it's in today. Also got a link in the description for these. There are two types. There's one with one USB and one with two USBs. If you go with a 2 USB, then if you have a front USB, Apple CarPlay won't work through it. So I did go with the one USB. In order to install it, the only thing you need really is some kind of a plastic pry tool. So let me show you guys how to do that. Okay, so you want to pull this one out right here. In order to do that, you don't want to pry right here, but you want to pry the whole compartment off. Once you got that off, you want to disconnect all of these wires. They have little clips here, so there's one right there, there's one right there, one right there. You can pull this USB hub out separately by pressing down right here, and the same thing on the other side, and that's out. Now we want to grab our new USB hub and you want to install it back. So you want to install your new USB hub through here and put all the wires back exactly how they were. So got this black one on the left, this one, and this one, and that's it. And all you got to do is shove it back into here, grab your Apple USB cord or Lightning connector and connect it into your iPhone, which is what I'm using to record this right now. But once you connect it, there's your Apple CarPlay. As you can see, it's an awesome system. I never really wanted it until I saw and used it on my wife's car. But as you can see, you got all your apps that you already got installed that are compatible with Apple CarPlay. Waze is an awesome one. You can see traffic reports, where the cops are hiding. You got Google Maps. You got stats about your car. You could read your messages. You can make phone calls. And my favorite personally is Spotify. You could actually scroll through your library, play your songs, etc. So that's an awesome feature. I definitely recommend it. Again, link in the description for this USB hub. It's only $42 on Amazon, so go ahead and order yourself one. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped someone, and hope you enjoy Apple CarPlay and all the features that come with it. It's well worth the $42 upgrade. So yeah, good luck everyone. Thanks for watching. Peace.